Alright, this little button buck that was killed, neck shot it. We'll test see what hollow points will do. 6-hour feed crown, 124 grain 9mm. Not wasting any meat. Shoot right through the rib cage into this water. Hopefully that's enough water to stop it. We'll see what happens. Alright, there's the bullet right there. All the way through both sides, through probably about 12 inches of water maybe stopped on the ground. Looks pretty good though. Alright, just want to look real quick. That's the heart and lungs out of that deer. It went through both lungs. Pretty good number on the heart. Along on the other side, took out quite a bit. Quite a bit of damage. That was a Sig V crown from a Glock 26.